The wealthy have succeeded in giving new meanings to everything, small or large. A car is naturally a means of transport but has now been restructured to a luxury class marker. Wristwatches, phones, and the biggest of them all, houses. The house for a rich person is not just a roof over your head. It's a component of massive luxury. And these mega houses with massive luxuries come at eye-popping prices. In today's video, we'll be looking at 10 of the most expensive mansions in the world. Stick around to the end because I'm sure you will be amazed. But before I take you through the doors of these mega mansions, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Now, let's begin. Number 10. Mesa Vista Ranch, 33,000 square feet. Mesa Vista Ranch is one of the most expensive properties in the United States and was owned by late oil prospector and hedge fund founder Boone Pickens, who had a net worth of $500 million. The ranch is a whopping 64,800 acres located in Texas, with the main building on the ranch a mansion that spans about 33,000 square feet, which is just a tiny fraction of the space on the ranch. The mansion comes with a large dining room to fit 40 people and a home theater big enough to seat 30 people that comes with an adjoining popcorn room. There's an 11,500 square foot lake house with a 3,800 square feet patios with roughly 12 miles of water on this ranch in the form of man-made waterfalls, creeks, and lakes. It also comes with an airport hangar that has a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment upstairs and a 6,000-foot runway, a fleet of vehicles nearby to drive people to the main part of the ranch, and fire trucks as well. Number 9. Casa Encantada, 40,000 square feet. Along with the other mansions, Casa Encantada is located in Bel Air, California. It is also known as the House of Enchantment and was built in 1938 with no expense spared in its construction, which says a lot, seeing how this was during the Great Depression. It was put up for sale in October of 2019 for a whopping $225 million, which earned it the most expensive property for sale at the time in the US. It is nearly 40,000 square feet and has 60 rooms, including a reception hall with 18-foot ceilings, a card room, a dining room, several living rooms, and an indoor bar. Number 8. The Pritzker Estate, 49,000 square feet. This estate, located in Los Angeles, California, was built for billionaire Anthony Pritzker. It took about 6 years to complete, spanning from 2005 to 2011, which was the ample time spent turning this building into one of the largest private residences in the city. Often referred to as the Grand Hyatt Bel Air, the main building covers an area of 49,000 square feet and has 2 basement levels, making it deceptively smaller than its actual size. Going down the basement, there's a game room, bowling alley, a bar, offices, and an entertainment hall. The temperature of this property is maintained by geothermal systems and a climate control apparatus. Number 7. Fairfield Pond, 62,000 square feet. Being massive and worth a lot of money, Fairfield Pond stands out among the crowd of lavish mansions and is located in Hampton. It is worth over $500 million, even though built for $110 million back in the 90s and set on 63 acres of prime beachfront property. The humongous property is accompanied by 2 pool houses and a playhouse, which cover an added 41,000 square feet of space. It also features about 21 bedrooms, 18 bathrooms, 12 chimneys, a massive dining room that is about 91 feet long, 2 bowling alleys, a squash court, a basketball court, and a billiards room. The Fairfield Pond Mansion has a screening room, a hot tub that costs about the same as a supercar, and a 100-car garage. Number 6. Gemini, 62,000 square feet. This $195 million mansion located on the island of Manila, south of Palm Beach, Florida, is one of the largest and most expensive mansions in the US. It is 62,000 square feet large and has 21 bedrooms, several dining rooms and lounge rooms, libraries, a media room, and a massive wine cellar. It also comes with a botanical garden with 1,500 different species of plants. Also, a 7-bedroom guest house, 2 cottages, and an apartment block all sit on 16.6 acres of land, a putting green on the property large enough to play golf on, a large pool, a giant treehouse for all ages, a dock, and a basketball court. Number 5. 28A Rutland Gate, 62,000 square feet. Built in central London, overlooking Hyde Park, this mansion was sold in 2020 for $262 million, making it the most expensive house ever sold in the country. 28A Rutland Gate was all 4 separate homes before they were all combined into one 62,000 square feet mega mansion. It is 7 stories tall and has a total of 45 rooms, including 20 bedrooms, several grand staterooms, a spa and gym, a basement swimming pool, an underground parking garage, and an elevator for easy traversal. The interior was designed by Albert Pinto, a prolific French designer who has designed homes all over the world. The interior of Rutland Gate includes masterpieces like 24-karat gold-plated waste bins and jewel-encrusted bidets. Number 4. Pensmore, 72,000 square feet. The massive 72,000 square feet mansion has 13 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. It has undergone several redesigns and is likely not yet finished. Built firstly as a survival stronghold and secondly a mega mansion, the structure has 12-inch thick exterior walls and is allegedly resistant to the most powerful tornadoes, hurricanes, and earthquakes. Speculated by Stephen Huff to stand for 2,000 years and allegedly resistant to fire, bulletproof, bomb-proof, and bug-resistant, which has got people speculating wildly about the real purpose of the mansion, with suggestions about it being a backup location for the president. Number 3. Tahoe Uwan, 72,400 square feet. Tahoe Uwan, meaning Utopia, is one of the largest mansions in the world and one of the most expensive in China. It has probably earned the name from being beautifully designed and very large. The mansion has 32 bedrooms and bathrooms, all oriented towards the south, which might have something to do with being shut, or so the residents can have a beautiful view of the nearby lake. The property is decorated with traditional Chinese architecture and artworks, which might have a thing or two to do with the mansion being located in China. It recently sold for $154 million and was deemed by UNESCO to be a World Heritage Site. Number 2. Modern Versailles, 90,000 square feet. Built over 15 years and still isn't complete with the construction on a man-made hill of 10 acres of lakefront land. The Herculean task of erecting a 90,000 square feet mansion began. The interior of this mansion is complete with 14 bedrooms, 11 kitchens, 5 pools, 3 indoors and 2 outdoors, a video arcade, and a ballroom capable of holding up to 1,000 guests. This mansion is proposed to be completed by 2050 and would be one of the biggest and most valuable mansions in the US, aside from the newly invented hover mansions. And number 1, The One, 100,000 square feet. The One has been under construction by former movie producer Niall Miami since 2013 and has become the largest mansion ever built in the world. This prime piece of real estate is located in Bel Air, California, and covers over 100,000 square feet of space, an absolute chunker of a building. It has 20 bedrooms, 30 bathrooms, 2 massive dining rooms, a kitchen that puts restaurants to shame, and a garage that holds 30 cars, a wine cellar capable of more than 10,000 bottles, 5 swimming pools, a bowling alley, a 36-seat movie theater, a large casino, and a nightclub. And that brings us to the end of this video. Which of these mansions do you think is beyond magnificent? Comment below. Thank you for watching the Wealth Ready channel. Please subscribe and like. Until next time, follow your dreams.